Are you ready to turn your blog into a successful business? So maybe you've been at this a while and you feel like you're spinning your wheels. Or maybe you're just getting started and you need direction.
Then join us for 6 weeks as you build your online business with our help, step by step, live on Zoom.
Okay, so I'm Jillian.
I'm David.
And we are co-founders of Catch My Party.
And Milo Tree.
And I'm host of the Blogger Genius podcast. And we've been at this a long time and we have built successful businesses. So in this group, there are weekly live teaching sessions and live Q&A sessions on Zoom and a private Facebook group for all of us to interact and get to know each other.
Every week, there's homework assignments with feedback.
Yeah, if you want to be held accountable, we will hold you accountable, and so will the group.
Topics we cover include...
Okay, how to find your niche, or as we like to call it, your special sauce.
Strategies for monetizing your business and how to find products to sell. How to create content your audience and Google will love. How Pinterest works to drive traffic and how to optimize your pins for clicks.
Okay, also, how to understand the mindset of an online entrepreneur. Why I want you to do B- work. If you listen to my podcast, you know that I want B- work from you. Why I want you to think of yourself as a miner and your job is to mine for gold in your business, and how to show up day after day, even when it's tough, to grow your business.
Why email marketing is so important and how to grow your email list by creating an opt-in. How to think about Instagram intentionally and how to use Google Analytics to grow your business.
Okay, the best part about this group is you get personalized attention and feedback from us. If you read the testimonials below, you'll see that that is what people really love about this group. So we get to know you and we get to know your business personally. Oh, and you get technical help from David. So join us. It's going to be fun. We can't wait to get to know you, to roll up our sleeves, to dig in, and to really help guide you on this entrepreneurial journey. Also, we offer a complete money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. So sign up today.